they are putting in so much effort क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते कि वो जो quality and the mission of IIM Indore to give the world class education, they are not compromising on that, and we can see the efforts of even the faculties that they're trying to put in, and how we can reach out to them for any problem. So I think that's very fantastic about the college. And given the fact that we have the largest batch compared to any MBA college in our country, so I think the kind of handling that they are doing is seamless and commendable for that.
Hello everyone, we have here with us Anushka. She belongs to Jharkhand, Ramgarh. She has scored 96.29 percentile in the CAT 2019 and she is currently pursuing MBA in HRM from IIM Indore. Hello Anushka.
Hi Dheeraj, and thank you for the warm welcome. So
Right.
yes, currently I'm pursuing HRM from IIM Indore.
जी. Tell us a bit about your family background. मतलब आपकी इनिशियल एजुकेशन कैसी रही थी और कहाँ से आपने किया वो थोड़ा अगर आप बताते तो.
I studied, as you know, I am from Ramgarh, which is a very small town in Jharkhand, nearby Ranchi. That's how I make people understand where I belong to, because there's no reference otherwise.
Right.
So I studied from Army Public School, like 10th and 12th. And in 12th, I was this district topper with 94.6 percentile. In 10th, I was one of the 10 CGPA scorers in my school. And thereafter, I went on to do chemical engineering from BIT Sinri Dhanbad. I think you may be knowing
जी जी
about that
बिल्कुल.
college. Yeah. So yeah, I did my chemical engineering from BIT Sindri, and I'm a fresher. So just in continuation, no work ex or something. Yeah. So just continuing with my education forward.
फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? पापा क्या करते हैं? आपकी मम्मी क्या करती हैं? इज इट अ जॉइंट फैमिली यू आर इनटू?
No, no nuclear family. Papa service my DVC, and my sister, she's also working in Ranchi in Mekon. And yeah, that's small family, just one sister, and
ओके.
just four of us. Yes, that's it.
सो ये लाइफ प्राइमरली रही होगी परफेक्टली एकेडमिक का, जैसा आपने बताया 10 में 10 सीजीपीए, देन 12 में डिस्ट्रिक्ट टॉपर, देन केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग एंड देन एमबीए फ्रॉम आईएम इंदौर. So like apart from academic, do you have any other interest?
Yeah, I just failed to mention, but in school, I was the head girl of the school in class
अच्छा.
12th, and in VT Sindri, I was a part of the club, photographic club, where I held the position of treasurer and alumni in charge. And even in Am Indore, I'm part of a club right now. So yes, not wholly academic, not that academic savvy, but yeah, uh, that is.
जैसा आपने बताया आप झारखंड रामगढ़ से बिलोंग करते हैं, रामगढ़ कैंट से बिलोंग करती है. कैट की प्रिपरेशन कैसे वहाँ पे किया था? मतलब टाइम आईएमएस करियर लॉन्च जैसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस है वहाँ पे या फिर ये सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन
Nahi,
था?
nahi. Like just I mentioned, na, yeah, I studied from BIT Sindri, chemical engineering.
जी.
So Sindri is the outskirt of Dhanbad, in a
जी.
very village kind of an area where we have our college. So if I would have decided to go for any coaching institute, which was CL or Time, they are in Dhanbad. So like it
जी.
would take 1.5 hours to travel from Sindri to Dhanbad. The condition of the road is so worst kind of condition. So yeah, so traveling was an issue. So I didn't take up coaching, classroom coaching. I did go for test series and all. So I took up test series of CL Career Launcher and
और
nothing
बाकी
else.
सारी प्रिपरेशन घर पे ही किया था? मतलब ये पूरी
Yeah,
प्रिपरेशन
all
कैट.
all by myself with the help of Career Launcher test series and few video courses. Apart from that, all by myself.
सो ये कैट 2019 में एग्जाम देने के कितने महीने पहले से आपकी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट हो गई थी एंड व्हाट वाज योर डेली शेड्यूल?
लाइक मैंने डिसाइड तो कर लिया था कैट देने का लाइक 2018 में थर्ड ईयर व्हेन आई वाज इन थर्ड ईयर. But then, obviously, the preparation was not that dedicated one. I started preparing and putting in my best of the efforts from August 2019. But some sort of efforts I had started putting in from the January itself. But in between, as I'm an engineer, so we had to go for a training for 1 month. So there, my 1 month was totally wasted. But after that, August, I think the 4 to 5 months, I prepared like put in my 100%, as much I could have put in. From there on, I was regular with my studies.
तो ये प्रिपरेशन विदाउट एनी कोचिंग सेंटर, आपने क्या कोई टेक्स्ट बुक लिया था और देन यू स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट? व्हाट वाज द?
टाइम टाइम मटेरियल्स थे एंड सीएल की टेस्ट सीरीज थी, सो दीज टू, दैट्स इट। एंड थोड़ा बहुत सीनियर से अपने कांटेक्ट करके लाइक हाउ टू प्रिपेयर एंड गो अबाउट इट, सो उनसे जो थोड़ा बहुत पता चला एंड ऑल्सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट आई डिड ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन।
प्रिपरेशन में अगर दिक्कत होती होगी तो डाउट सॉल्व कैसे करवाते होंगे? कैट एग्जामिनेशन इज लाइक इंडिया का वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट एग्जाम्स में माना जाता है, लाइक आउट ऑफ द वन ऑफ द टॉप 10
या
टफेस्ट एग्जाम इन इंडिया। वाज इट लाइक कि आपने ट्राई मारा एंड इट वर्कड आउट एंड यू पुट इट वेरी हार्ड एफर्ट, एंड जब
नो
प्रॉब्लम
नो
होता होगा तो सॉल्यूशन कैसे मिलता था फिर?
Yeah, the solution, I think, you will find a lot of videos on YouTube. And also, there's a Facebook group called iQuanta. So I religiously followed that. No, it's the best CAT preparation group you can get. The peer-to-peer learning is really good. So I just followed that religiously. And even my friends were preparing for CAT, simultaneously we were preparing together. So like, we discussed in the group if we didn't get any problem right. So that way, and obviously, just cat is all about practice. The more effort you put in, the more you practice, it becomes easier. It is all about practice. That's what I learned during my preparation.
आपकी प्रिपरेशन प्रैक्टिस कितने घंटे की होती थी ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द कैट पार्ट?
Cat part, I think I said that, as I said that from August onwards, I was very serious. I was putting in like maybe close to 12 hours. I would be studying all together to pull up my socks and get ready with all the three sections.
आई एम इंदौर के अलावा और किन किन कैंपसेस से आपको ऑफर मिला था?
I am Indore, Kozhikode, Shillong, and all the new and baby IIMs.
Okay. So what was the reason for you to choose IIM Indore, leaving other colleges?
So yes, I like Indore was obviously my first choice because I was a person who wanted to pursue HR specifically. I had decided it beforehand that I want to go for HR anyhow. And among the calls that I had, HR was the best in IIM Indore. Because even the Kozhikode HR is not that good, and other colleges I think everybody knows about. So yes, so Indore was my target was Indore. When I got all the calls, I was sure that Indore is my best shot for this time, and I would have to put in my efforts as much as I can do.
कभी ऐसा ख्यालात नहीं आया कि आपके बगल में ही एक्सएलआरआई है, झारखंड में बड़ा नामी कॉलेज है, वो भी एचआर के लिए? कभी ऐसा सोच नहीं आया कि
Yeah,
एक्सएलआरआई में ट्राई
yeah.
करते हैं?
एक्सेल है या मैंने जैट दिया था। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं सिर्फ एक सेक्शन कट ऑफ पार नहीं हो पाया था। अदरवाइज आई वाज थ्रू द टेस्ट, जस्ट एक सेक्शन के वजह से आई कुड नॉट मेक इट देयर।
अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है? आई मीन इंदौर में अभी वर्चुअल क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, डिजिटल क्लासेस हो रही हैं प्राइमरली, अभी तक कैसे कोप अप कर पाई हो आप? हाउ वाज द जर्नी फॉर लास्ट 4 मंथ्स?
Yeah, so the journey was quite hectic. As the criteria, so the college, I would say, they are academic heavy, like academic rigorous, too much rigor, I would say. No, so and since we were late by 1 month, so obviously they had to cover the syllabus in a shorter span of time. So the time duration of the classes has been increased, and we have been taking 4 to 5 classes a day, which even stretched towards the evening as well. तो अभी ऐसा ही, अभी बहुत हेक्टिक है फिलहाल। एंड ये है कि दे आर पुटिंग सो मच एफर्ट, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते कि वो जो क्वालिटी एंड द मिशन ऑफ IIM Indore टू गिव द वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन, they are not compromising on that, and we can see the efforts of even the faculties that they're trying to put in, and how we can reach out to them for any problem. So I think that's very fantastic about the college, and given the fact that we have the largest batch any MBA as compared to any MBA college in our country. So I think the kind of handling that they are doing is seamless and commendable for that.
ओके। बड़ा बैच साइज होने के कारण कभी ऐसा एहसास नहीं हुआ कि क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन में कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है, या फिर यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ अटेंशन ऑफ द फैकल्टी, और यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ टाइम टू आस्क ऑल योर डाउट्स टू द फैकल्टी?
अभी तो स्पेसिफिकली क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रहे, तो इट्स अ बिट डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि ऐसा है कि सबको ही स्क्रीन पे सबको ही दिख रहा है एंड इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई हु इज स्पीकिंग, समटाइम्स पीपल काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग टुगेदर, तो उसमें भी क्लियर नहीं हो पाता है कौन बोल रहा है क्या पूछना चाह रहा है, सो कोऑर्डिनेशन इज द मेन डिफिकल्टी वी आर फेसिंग राइट नाउ। बट देन प्रोफेसर्स ने बहुत स्ट्रीमलाइन कर दिया है कि whosoever wants to ask please raise your hand, otherwise write your comment in the comment section, and thereafter they address each and everyone's question. They do not leave even a single person in doubt, so that is really nice.
वर्चुअल क्लासेस के कारण केस स्टडी सॉल्विंग किस तरीके का हो पाता होगा आपके यहाँ में? किस केस स्टडी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है सारे एम्स में।
Yeah, so that is dependent on the faculty. Like our faculty, what they did, they have given cases to groups. Like they have divided the groups, and this group will go for this case study, and they will be presenting in the class their views. And then the faculty will be cross questioning, and others will be putting up their views. So that's how we are solving group wise. Like one group is given this case, and the other is that way we are doing it. So that everyone gets a chance, and even the idea is clear to everyone, because if everyone starts putting in their point, then it's become difficult to understand what's going on. So that's how we are going ahead with it.
ओके। अपार्ट फ्रॉम बेसिक एकेडमिक पार्ट, आई एम इंदौर के बच्चे और किन किन चीजों में एंगेज होते हैं? लाइक जैसा आपने बताया, अपार्ट फ्रॉम बेसिक एकेडमिक केस स्टडी एक एडिशनल पार्ट है, और किन किन चीजों का फ्लेवर इसमें ऐड किया जाता है टू मेक द प्रोग्राम मोर बेटर फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स?
Yeah, so we have, as I said, many clubs and committees and events and everything. Like, I can't even count. There are so many. So yeah, there are clubs, marketing club, finance club, and your interest groups like debating society and dance groups and all of that. Your interest is very well taken care of. There are events which are really good, give you chance to interact with the leadership also. Some events they call very eminent people, and clubs and committee you can interact with your seniors, and also since they are marketing club and everything, they are discussing us the materials to read about, so they are kind of connecting us together, and also kind of giving us an extra time for some fun time, I would say, because we are all the time busy in our academics. Since we have been in the system for 4 months, we have all obviously adapted to this system, this condition of using online modes for connecting even with friends for the group assignments and everything. So yeah, we have acclimatized ourselves with it, and
How is the
everybody is comfortable.
Okay. How is the preparation going on for this internship and placement? Because COVID is still prevailing in the market, and market has not reopened up till now, as it is not in the normal scenario. What is the kind of thing which is going in your mind?
I think in this situation, and this mainly for our placement part, I think our seniors are very helpful. They are trying to give us as much as they can, from their sharing their experience to sharing materials to prepping us all together, so that we don't feel that we are not prepared, or we feel nervous or any underconfident of ourselves. They are prepping us so better. So I think the seniors are here the main role players. They are helping us all through, making us aware of the process, how is it going to happen, sharing us each and every experience with us, and sharing all the materials they had with us. So I think that's how we are prepping up ourselves for the summer internships and interviews.
Okay. So for every committee, there will be some seniors. I mean, somebody from the second year and somebody from the first year, and that's how the team is being formed, right?
Yeah.
That the committee will also be supervised by one of the faculty as well, is it?
Yes, yes, yes. It is
Okay.
supervised by faculty. Yeah.
And to be the
So
part of any committee, they take. I've heard that they take
interviews.
long interviews. It's not going to be only one round. They covers multiple round of interviews before they finalize anybody into
Yeah,
the.
it would first start from first task would be to send a write up on whatever topic they would give, and then they will shortlist based on the quality of your write up. Thereafter, you would have a kind of a group assignment kind of a thing. Like they would give you something and you have to prepare it in a group and then present it to them. And thereafter, if your team is selected, then you go to the interview round. And after the interview round, you also have to face elections, and there would be voting by students, and thereafter you are able to make it to any club or committee.
And how about the faculty at I'm Indore?
Yeah, so here we have faculty from varied backgrounds. who have had very good experience, especially in the corporate world, I would say. Like they have been in some very eminent positions at their time, and no, they have did their MBA from renowned institutions and have been part of renowned organizations. So yeah, and some are visiting professors, some are permanent, and yeah, that's how it is.
Perfectly all right. Good to hear, Anushka. Thank you so much for all these information, and thank you so much. These informations are very, very important, and probably for a lot of student who is aspiring to be an MBA from I'm Indore or from some other B school will have a better insight about the management education prevailing in Indian market. Thank you so very much for the time today.
Thank you for the opportunity. I would say I would love if others can, learn something from my experience and involve that in their life. Thank you. So thank you.